Hello foot fixers, today we are going to remove this tiny little toenail. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a look at the nail and tell me what's wrong with it. Comment with your answer below. It may be very common for the little toe to become damaged or infected. One of the reasons why the toenail becomes damaged or infected is because the shoes are very tight, and that can lead to trauma. Another reason is that some people are born with deformed toenails. So if your mother has it or your father has it and you look at your toenails, you go, I also have a little bit of a wonky toenail. Here I'm removing the soft tissue and the debris from the little tiny toenail. It's very important to flatten everything out so the nail could grow normal. Here I am applying my standard dressing, counterstat and Batagras. In gauze row, I'm going to wrap it around and make sure that it is securely fastened. And voila, this is all done. Don't you think that removing a nail is super easy? Please comment below. Thanks for watching Foot Fixers. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Check me out on all the other platforms too, at Miss Foot Fixer. I'll see you soon.